Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to resolve the UPI Connect not working or not launching on PC. If you experiencing this problem, I give some steps one by one follow to this problem resolved. This problem usually caused by some corrupted files you have or you are some corrupted files or mistaken files. So you get this error. I don't waste our time. Let's go get the solution. Then first solution, stop Ubisoft Connect Launcher running background. If it is running, just you will go to stop Ubisoft Connect Launcher from Task Manager. So we need Task Manager. You can click to open. We can go to search the UPI soft. Here that related software is running. Just right click to click on the end task. It is stop all processing softwares. It is all done, then you away from the task manager, then you can go to relaunch the game after restart. So you can go to the start menu and click on the power button and select the restart to restart your system. Then you can go to relaunch the UPS soft connect. Sometimes if this problem resolved, if it is does not work or this problem persists, then you can go to proceed the next solution. The next solution, run as GTA 5, run as UPI soft connect admin. So you can go to the desktop, then right click on the UPI soft connection, then you can click on the properties. Here you can go to click on the camera tab, then we should select the camera mode. Below we should select the run this program as administrator and select the disable full screen optimization and hit the apply and OK to save. Then we can go to proceed the next solution. The next solution, UPS soft file delete from the local app data. So press the Windows button plus X button, then click on the run. Then run box type percentage local app data percentage, then hit the OK to open. This automatically open the file X folder. Here you can go to locate the your UPS soft folder. Then double tap to open here find or locate the cache folder. Then right click and just delete that particular folder. After that you away from that local file, then you can go to restart your system and relaunch the UPS soft connect. Then your problem should be solved. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you. And don't forget subscribe.